I'm Neil McAvoy, the Plaid Cymru Assembly candidate for Cardiff West, and I'm at a protest today in Caerau on Quartalala Road. We're protesting against the HGV lorries going up and down towards the new landfill site. Just with a couple of residents. It's Jonathan Swan. He's chair of the new group in the community called Caerau and Ely Matters, and there's Michael Whedon, a local resident as well. What do you think, fellas?
I think it's all wrong the way you're using our streets. I don't know why you go by areas. I think it's disgusting, and I haven't got nothing else to say.
John, what do you reckon?
Basically sums it up. There's a couple of other routes they could choose, but Ely are the poor residents, which is why they decided to rip through our streets with large trucks. And obviously there was 2 incidences of children being killed, one on Hill Trelai, one up by the school by HGV lorries. So why the hell do they think it's a good idea to do it, to have more lorries ripping up and down the street?
I think that's a really valid point raised by Jonathan about the fatality some years ago. And the developer is a Mr. Feakin. We understand he's a Conservative council candidate in Monmouthshire. So that's our message to Mr. Feakin. HGVs in this road and an accident waiting to happen, and we want to stop. So if an HGV comes on that road now, we're all piling in the middle of the road and we're stopping to go up the streets. Diolch yn fawr, thank you very much.